Welcome to Glenn on Cars. This is the race that I've promised you guys. We have the B58 Suzuki Swift Sport against Kona N. This is the battle of the East. Well, from Korea we have Hyundai Kona N, a 2.08 speed DCT four-wheel drive, pushing around 206 kilowatts or 276 horsepower and 392 newton meters of torque. This car weighs at 1,510 kilograms. It can sprint from 0 to 100 in 5.5 seconds. Physical mods, this car is non-software, non-plug and play. This car is running a race chip. Already, the South Koreans are in an advantage. Well, against the challenger from the East, the Japanese. This is a Suzuki Swift Sport, a 1.46 speed torque converter forward wheel drive, pushing around 103 kilowatts or 188 horsepower and 230 newton meters of torque. This car weighs at 995 kilograms. That's basically nothing. 0 to 100, Suzuki says 8.0, but this car is modded for days. Physical mods, this car is running an intake, downpipe, blow valve and catch can. Software is running a stage 1 file from. If you're watching this video, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. More drag races are coming. That's the only way you can help us. So please subscribe. Anyway, enjoy the race and let us know what you think and where we can improve. We really appreciate your comments. Enjoy the race. You lost. You won.
Fucking 100 meters down the stretch. No, that was
Maybe he left it in the clouds.
no, it's in his pocket. He's busy pressing it.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Let us go back further a bit. Yeah, a bit. I fucked up my rolling there. No, I went from gear 1.
I also went from what?
No, I think we need to be at I don't know if it's 40.
Okay.
Yeah, let's try again.
You guys are doing another rolling.
Your car is strong.
He was catching you.
He came back.
He came back.
1.4.
And you tell me my car is strong. You're more than that.
I will talk when we come back. Yeah. That was nice. Yes. Good boy. We lost the rolling. We won off the line. That was nice. Good boy. Good boy. Woof. Gone. Gone. Hey, that headstand worked because this guy is spinning. Yarr. Ooh, that worked. If I let this car red line, I was gonna lose. Yarr. I'll tell you what I was doing. I was busy here. Because I was spinning. I was like, fuck. Yeah, that was nice. Cool.
The South Koreans take it. Hope you enjoyed the race. Anyway, this is the coming race. Don't miss this one. Golf 8R against S3. This is gonna be epic. This one is gonna be epic. So make sure that you're subscribed. Catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching again.